Hello children, myself Suchismita Malik. Today I am going to teach you a new chapter in EVS. So children, your chapter today I will teach you chapter 3, that is my sense organ. So all of you look at your page number 25, that is chapter 3, my sense organ. So before reading the chapter, we should know what is sense organ. What are our different parts which is known as our sense organ. So children, how do we know what is happening around us? We can know what is happening around us by 5 ways. We have 5 ways to know about things. So what are those 5 ways? These five ways are called senses, and these 5 senses are sight, hearing, smell, touch and taste. And these five parts of our body helps these senses. So what are the 5 parts of our body that help us to sense? The 5 parts of our body that help us to sense are eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. These 5 parts of our body help us to sense. So these 5 parts of our bodies are known as sense organs. The organs of our body which help us to sense are known as sense organs. So what are the 5 parts of our body that help us to sense? The 5 parts of our body that help us to sense are eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. These eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue are called sense organ. So children, now we will begin our chapter. So let's begin. Good morning. Here Ruma is wishing you all good morning. It is so beautiful in the garden today. I can hear the birds sing, the dog bark, my friends play. I can hear the phone ring. So children, Ruma can hear everything. She is in the garden. In the morning she is in the garden, and what she is hearing? She is hearing the birds sing, the dog is barking, her friends are playing, and she can also hear the phone ringing. The phone is ringing. So with the help of which parts of our body we can hear? We can hear with our ear. So Ruma is hearing the sound with the help of her ear. Now let's see the second stanza. I can see the grass grow, the birds flutter, the flower blossom. I can feel the wind blow. So children, Ruma can see the grass is growing, the birds are fluttering, the flowers they are blossoming, and she can also feel the wind blowing. So with the help of what we can see the things happening around us? We can see with the help of our eyes. So Ruma is also using her eye to see what is happening around her, so that she can see the grass is growing, the birds they are fluttering, the flowers are blossoming, and she can also feel the wind blowing. So she can see what is happening around her with the help of her eyes. So in the third stanza, let's see. I can smell the sweet mograss, the wheat mud, the lovely champas. I can smell the wet grass. So children, mograss and champas, they are flowers. So she can smell the sweet fragrance of these flowers, mograss and champas. So we can smell with our nose. Likewise, she is also smelling with her nose. So children, what Ruma is telling here in this stanza, in the third stanza, she is telling that I can smell the sweet mograss, the wet mud, the lovely champas. I can smell the wet grass. So she can smell these all things. So children, nose help us to smell. So children, like how Ruma is smelling, she is also how Ruma is smelling, we can also smell with our nose. Now in the fourth stanza, let's see. I can taste the juicy apple, the sweet mango, the sweet honey, the first rains. I can taste the pineapples. So children, Ruma is tasting juicy apples, sweet honey, the first rains, and I can taste the pineapple. She is tasting these all things with the help of her tongue. So we can use our tongue to taste things. We can taste sweet things, sour things, and also we can taste the bitter things with the help of our tongue. So tongue help us to taste things. Now, in the last stanza, what it is given, I can touch the wet rain, the soft rose, the smooth grass, I can touch the horse's mane. So we can touch things with the help of our hand, that is our skin help us to feel the things. So Ruma, she is touching everything. She can touch the wet rain, the soft rose, the smooth grass with the help of her hand. So hand is a sense organ which help us to touch thing and feel things. It is a sense organ, and the skin is a sense organ which help us to touch things. So see, Ruma, she can touch thing with the help of her hand, and hand is covered with skin. So children, what are our sense organ? We are having 5 sense organ. They are ear, eye, nose, tongue and skin. So we are, how many sense organ do we have? We have 5 sense organ. So children, now look at your page number 26. Now we will look at the picture and fill in the blanks. So children, look at these pictures and you have to fill up the blanks. So what is it? It is a ear. What is it? It is an eye. What is it? It is a nose. This one is hand and this is tongue. So children, I have done it. You have to complete it in your EVS book. Now we will do complete the sentence. I use my dash to fill a hot glass of milk. That is, I use my hand to fill a hot glass of milk. I see the beautiful flowers with my dash. I see the beautiful flowers with my eyes. I hear sound with my dash. I hear sound with my ears. I taste food with my dash. I taste food with my tongue. I smell the rose with my dash. I smell the rose with my nose. So children, your chapter is finished. Thank you.